Hey, good morning. Ricky, the low-end card enthusiast from North Carolina, coming at you with another video. Hope you guys are doing well and welcome back to my channel. Thought I'd make a little video this morning of a little antique model I was telling you guys about. It's pretty big. Thought I'd walk through and give you guys a little, not a whole tour, don't make it too long, but used to be a Kmart. And I got permission to do it, so no problem. Got some coins and things like that. And Pokemons. My grandson likes those. He likes Pokemons. I think me and him are going to the card shop in Greensboro tomorrow. I got a few cards I can trade. He's into golf, so he likes these. Come and watch, look at these putters. I don't want to get it too long of a video, so I'll just hit the main spots. There's so much stuff in here, but these things are negotiable. This is a friend, actually, whose name is Ricky. And the things are a little high at the antique stores. There's a card I'd like to have. I don't know if it's overpriced or not. I don't know if he still got it. I don't see it. It's a autographed Mike Tyson card. I don't see it. Might not be looking in the right spot. They might have sold it. I don't see it. Been looking at that green stamp book. That was back in my day. That's a lot of odds and ends. This has got a 1989 Topps complete set, $60. That's an 85. There it is. There's the Mike Tyson, $300. Beckett. If I'm not mistaken, that's his rookie card. I do believe. Wish it was 30. I kind of like that. Like stuff like that. Yeah. Bill Lambier. I don't think so. Old SCG. Cassius Clay. Key rings. The Julius Peppers. $50. Got a lot of Caitlin Clarks in here. Michael Jordans. Anybody for Kyle Trask autograph? There he is. No, that's a Carapatoni. I'm sorry. There is a Kyle Trask in here, though. I think under that. I'm sorry. If you're interested. Here's my buddy Kyle. Larry Bird sticker. Frank Robinson, 20 bucks. He has some good deals sometimes. He had a Roger Maris rookie I'd like to got. I think it was 50 bucks. I didn't have the cash, I passed it up. I've gotten some cards from this is the guy I got that Pete Maravich rookie. I've gotten some deals. I got the 3 signed Dale Earnhardt Jr. and Mark Martin and Bill Elliott. Signed cards. All these are $5. A lot of Jordans in here. He's got a lot of Jordans. $2. No, I'm going quick. I've seen these watches. Sal. $250 watches. These are the ones you see in the parking lots. You want these $250 watches. Let you have it for 25 bucks. It's yours. Billy Beer. Got some knives. Burt Campaneris, $2. Record lady. Full of records and memorabilia. And you can see the end, not quite the end down that way. End down that way. It's a pretty big store. I bought a ceramic Christmas tree from this lady before Christmas. She had about 5 or 6. Sold out. She's got a couple somewhere else, but yeah. Little knickknacks in here I like. Elvis cards. A $450 Cal Ripken bat. I don't know if it's certified. I doubt it. Signed. These things are not certified. '68 Davy Johnson, $5. Mike Mussina, $50. Cal Ripken Jr., $150 ball. I don't think it's certified. That's $100 helmet. A lot of things not certified. got the light turned on. We don't have a light. Yeah, he's got this fluorescent light. Card's kind of faded. It's been in here a long time. Tony Gwynn autograph. That Tony Gwynn is really faded. It's been in there a long time, $50. Big on Coop, which he should be. Doing real good. Michael Jordan. Upper deck. Had some autograph down there. John Smoltz autographed. $25. Racing cards. Bonnie and Clyde. That thing's $400. No. My bad. $850 for a photograph. And I guess an original newspaper, which I'm kind of into Bonnie and Clyde. And, man, and a facsimile letter. Henry Ford. Wow. $850. I don't know, man. It's been there a while. If you want to call up here. It's got Topps cards. Got some. He had some Trump. He had a Trump Playboy magazine. It was gone. Some Attack of the 50-Foot Woman. All kinds of stuff in here. That's original, I think. It's $700. That Elvis poster. I don't mind having that. Tickled me as far as the record, the LP, the album. It's a lot. It's a real expensive album. Real expensive. That's a real expensive poster right there. I guess that's original. I don't know. It says original 1965 movie poster. $700. So I don't know. Walk over to another spot that we got 13 minutes. You guys can holiday sale, 40% off. I know I'm kind of. Walk one more place. I think it's over here. I think it's up here. I come up here a lot, look around. We'll go right here and then we'll hit another spot. We'll close it out. This guy's got some. He had a lot of balls, but some of them were certified. I guess he sold those. It's a Ted Williams. That's not certified. $250. It's got a lot of UNC things. Had a bunch of tickets too, like movie, concert tickets, and sports tickets. Nice knife right there. $45. It's like Damascus steel, like that. Yeah. I wouldn't mind having this comic book. Well, much of my blood. That's original first issue of Johnny Quest. Might be the only one they made. $125. Panthers helmet. Yeah. Dale Earnhardt. Cardboard. Let's go to one more spot and we'll close it out. 15 minutes. See how big this place is. Yep. Come up here right much, look around, especially on a rainy day. During the week, sun's crowded. It's crowded on Saturday and Sunday, especially Sunday. It's real crowded. It takes a while to get checked out. This guy here's got some neat stuff. He hasn't been here too long. He likes Duke. And he's got Carolina too. He's got some neat stuff. He's got a Pauly Shore signed pop with JSA certification, $60. And Elvis impersonator. Never heard of him. Yeah, I got some more stuff. This guy here has a pop. I don't know about that. This guy jam-packed full of stuff. Yes, I think my grandson and me are going up to card shop tomorrow in Greensboro. Got a few cards I can trade. Let's go up here to this, let's see. Yeah. I get lost in here sometimes. This is where I got my Ken Griffey Jr. ball. This guy got a big collection. Guy scares me every time I come around the corner. But he sold that bunch of. He had a lot of bats, more bats, and I don't know about the signed certificate on that, but he had a lot of autographed stuff, and he got. They sold, but Dizzy Dean. Sorry it's going too long, but you can. Nice Muhammad Ali frame photo. Bunch of bottles from Mario. Different things. SEC deals there. Carolina. Yeah. A lot of Hot Wheels. Yeah. Starting lineups. There's a Yale. I saw Larry Kelly, 1936. Leroy Kelly. I don't know. Get carried away, I'll get the phone. There's a check down there from somebody. Like I said, he had a bunch of autographed stuff. He had a Nolan Ryan signed cap that sold not too long ago. That was certified. He's got some Elon colleges on the other side of Burlington. He's got a lot of signed stuff from Elon. which hasn't sold. And he had a lot of Sports Illustrated signed stuff that sold. He still got quite a few stuff left. Star Wars. 20 minutes. Still got this Jake LaMotta Raging Bull. And the man. About sold all those. Excuse me. About sold all those Davis and Blanchard photo. Sugar Ray Leonard signed, Sports Illustrated. Yeah, he did have a whole wall, and he's put all this stuff, but they had a whole wall of signed stuff. Yeah, sure did. So I'm gonna wind it up. It's been a long time. Anyway, show you these gas pumps. These are nice gas pumps. I guess they are, I don't know if they're been redone or they're $3,500. I don't know. Husky, Sky Chief. I don't know, but I'd like to have one. Amoco, Mobile Glass. I'd like to have that Sinclair. Shell. Lion. That's a big Dino there, Sinclair. So look, I'm gonna let you go, and as always, I hope you enjoyed this video, something different. So hope you guys have a great day.